there, rig site superstars! Brighty's back, and today we're taking the grand tour. We're breaking down the massive drilling rig into its 5 main heartbeats, the systems that make the magic happen. A rig is like a giant machine with many parts. To understand it, we look at the main systems: hoisting, rotating, circulating, power, and well control. Let's start with the heavy lifters. The hoisting system is the rig's muscles. Its job? To lift and lower thousands of feet of heavy drill pipe. It's got some seriously big components. Whoa, easy there, big guy. You can't manhandle these pipes. That's why we have the mast, the substructure, and the drawworks to do the heavy lifting for us. The crown block stays at the top, while the traveling block and hook move up and down, carrying the load. These are the pulleys and hooks that handle the weight of the entire world. Well, the drill string. The drawworks is the powerhouse of the hoisting system. It's essentially a massive winch. Proper maintenance and safe distances keep this system running like a dream. Next up, System 2, rotating. This is how we actually cut through the rock. We've got 2 main ways to get things spinning. Nice try, Brighty, but leave the spinning to the pros. Whether it's the classic rotary table or the modern top drive, we use mechanical power to grind that rock. The rotary table sits on the floor, while the top drive hangs from the hoisting system. The top drive is the modern standard. It's faster, safer, and much more powerful. Now things are getting a bit messy. System 3 is circulating. This is the rig's blood, the drilling mud that keeps the bit cool and brings the rock chips back to the surface. Brighty! We have shale shakers for that. The mud goes down the pipe and comes back up the annulus, bringing the cuttings with it. We need professional equipment to clean it up. The mud pumps are the heart here, pushing fluid through the standpipe and down to the bit. It's a continuous loop that keeps the wellbore stable and clean. You can't run all this iron without juice. System 4 is the power system. It generates and distributes the electricity for everything on site. Nice workout, but it's not going to cut it. We need massive rig generators and an SCR room to handle the thousands of volts needed for drilling. Our generators run on diesel to create raw power, which the SCR room then converts and sends to the motors. It's the brain and the fuel for the whole rig. Last, but definitely the most serious, System 5, well control. This is our ultimate safety net. It's what keeps the pressure exactly where it belongs. The BOP is a massive valve that can seal the well in an emergency. It requires strict planning and constant inspection. It's the final line of defense for the rig and the crew. 5 systems, 1 rig, and 1 goal: getting home safe. Whether you're working on the floor or the generators, every piece of this giant machine matters. Stay safe, stay curious, and always respect the power of the rig. I'm Brighty, and I'll see you on the next shift. Thumbs up!